Hello and Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Welcome to What the Creates. I pray that you all will be doing the best of your health. So in today's video we will be talking about AWS Community Builders program, like what the program is, what are its benefits, and who can join this program, and at the end the most interesting thing, like the swag kit that you will be receiving after your selection as AWS Community Builder. Okay, so let's start without any further delay. So the first question is like what the program is. So like AWS is already running many programs like AWS Educate program, AWS Community Hero. So AWS Community Builders is also one of them. So like in our daily life, we are usually interacting with AWS services. We are interacting with them. We are practicing them. We are building on AWS, and we are reading some blogs about the AWS. So in our daily life, we are actually communicating or interacting or practicing with the AWS. So the AWS Builder program basically offers some technical resources, mentorship, and networking opportunities to AWS enthusiasts like who are really want to build on AWS, who are really struggling to work on AWS, who want to create something unique using the Amazon Web Services. So the program AWS Community Builder is basically for them. So who are passionate about sharing the knowledge and connecting with the technical community. So this program is basically for them. So if you think that you are the one, then this program is basically for you. And so we have seen that what the program is. Now let's talk about that who can apply in this program. So the question is, can you just go for joining this program if you are doing nothing? The answer would be no. You can't apply for this program if you are doing nothing about the AWS. You already must have some knowledge, some experience with AWS, with your services. You must have some community interaction or community involvement experience in this domain. You must have some blogs, some articles about the AWS, about the Amazon Web Services. You must have some hands-on practice or some involvement or some interaction with the AWS Management Console. So if you just go for joining this program without knowing nothing about the AWS, so it will not work. It's not gonna work at all. You must have some knowledge because while you will be filling the application for this program, then you will be asked some questions that about your previous experience, about your previous community involvement. So if you have if you don't have any experience about the Amazon, then you first of all you must have to learn something, or you must have to gain some knowledge about the Amazon Web Services. Then that would be okay, and then you would be ready to apply for this program. So till now we have seen what the program is, what are who can apply for this program. Now it's time to look at the benefits of this program. So the first and the most interesting benefit that when you got selected for this program, then at the spot you will be receiving the 500 USD credit. It's really amazing and stunning. Like at the spot after your selection, you will be getting $500 USD that you will be using. Basically you will be using these credits to use the AWS services. You will be consuming these dollars or these $500 for interacting or for practicing the services that Amazon that basically offered by Amazon. So you will be using that $500 credit. You need to redeem this credit through your Amazon Web Services official account. Then you can free to interact and use the AWS services through these $500. And the second benefit is basically you will be receiving the exam voucher for your basic level or associate level or professional level certification of Amazon. Like if you want to go for a AWS Cloud Practitioner exam, so you can give this exam using this exam voucher. You'll be saving almost your $300 straight away. So you will be receiving a benefit of $300 straight away. So you can give just one exam using this exam voucher. The exam could be of basic level, could be of associate level, could be of professional level. You can go for AWS Solution Architect exam, you can go for AWS Cloud Practitioner exam, and you can go for AWS Developer Associate exam. So you can use this voucher to for your exam. So in addition to this, there is even more beneficial to you. You go to talk directly to lots of AWS guys, so you can you will be getting an opportunity to talk with lots of AWS professionals directly after your selection, and after when you will be announced as AWS community builder, then you will be invited to a Slack space. Then you can get to know it in that way. You will be communicating with lots of persons from the different countries and different parts of the world, and who are basically developing or building on AWS. You got a direct connection with them, and then you can share each and everything. You can get help about any issue. You can directly communicate with them. So in this way, you will be getting each and every update about the new features and the new services that basically Amazon is going to launch. So you will be getting the updates about the new features and the new functions earlier to the launch of the product, so that in that way you can share your feedback, you can share your experience, or you can share your suggestions about that product or that feature to the AWS product team directly. You will be having a direct connection or direct access to the product team of the AWS. So you can give the suggestion or any improvements if you thought that this product or this feature could be improved in that way. Then you can suggest this to the product team of AWS before the launch of that product or that feature. So if you got interest in this program and you are going to apply, then there are many streams over there. So you will got select for one of them. They are basically security, DevOps, and management and governance, storage, some containers. So there are lots of streams, and you will be get select for one of them. So if you will select the management and governance and the storage, so you will be able to work with that team. But you would not be limited to just work with that team or just share your thoughts with that team. You will be having a chance or opportunity to interact with other teams as well. You can interact with security team, you can interact with the container team as well, and you can share your experience and your thoughts about these streams as well. So till now, I guess we have got a lot of knowledge. Not a lot, but we have got some knowledge about the program. Now let's see that how to join this program and how to get into the program. So applications actually open during the certain parts of the year, and now the applications are open, which are going to be closed in March 31. So the applications are open till March 31st. So if any one of you is interested and if any one of you like this kind of stuff and who want to know more about the AWS, who want to build on AWS, who want to get an access to the world's largest community, so I'll definitely suggest that you must apply before March 31st. So I have already applied for this program, but let's look quickly that what are the requirements for this program and what are the steps and that we have to follow while applying for this program. So let's start. So when you will click on the apply button, you will be landed to this page of AWS, which is basically the start of your application. So first of all, you will get some information that thank you for your interest in the program, and if you like to join the program, some details you can read that. So the first question is like, are you currently a member of any other AWS community program? So as I already mentioned that AWS is already have some programs like AWS Community Heroes, APN Ambassador, Educate, Cloud Ambassador, Educate, Student Ambassador. So if you are already a part of any of the above program, you can select, and if you are not, then you can just simply click on I am not a part of any of these programs. After selecting, then click next. So the question on next page is like, have you applied to join this program before? So if you have applied before and you do not got selected and you are applying again this year, so if you already have applied, then you can click on yes, and if you don't, then you can simply click on no, and there you have to mention your name, your company email address, your company, then there you have to confirm your email address, your company name, your job title, and what global region are you located in. So you have to select the region that is basically according to your area and your country. So there you have to mention that in which country your country reside, that in which country you are currently living. After filling all of the above details, you have to just click on the next button. Okay, so go to next. We have to first of all fill these all details. So I'm just gonna quickly fill these details. Like I'm reading accent policy, and okay, so there I have to mention the company address. Like I'll be filling this one, and job title I'll prefer to write cloud engineer. It's a Pakistan, and I'll click on next. So each approved, the next page is each approved AWS Community Builder Program application will be assigned to the topic area group that align to their individual interests. So as I already discussed that there are many streams over there, so you will go select for one of them. So the streams are given below. We have containers, we have databases, business intelligence, dev tools, front-end web and mobile development, game tech, Graviton, ARM development, machine learning, management, networking, security, serverless, storage. So we have all these streams. You have to select up to 2 topics according to your interest. So after selecting, so I'll prefer to select, you have to mention the numbers. First of all, you have to mention your first priority. My first priority is container, and then my second priority would be the management. So I'll be just selecting these 2, and then I'll click on next. So in that page, to fill the application is actually really very important. So if you are filling the application properly with you will be taking care of small details, and there are more chances to got select. So the question is, we would like to understand your interest in our program. Please share your details about your interest. So this is the most important question. You have to show your interest. You have to explain that why you should be selected for this program, why they should choose you as an AWS community builder. So this is actually a really important question. So you have to fill this question with proper details while properly thinking about it. So I'll just writing some few lines for the rough sketch. So I have written only one line because I'm not gonna type at all. I have just explained that you have to answer this question within at least so the allowed character are 1481. So you have a lot of character remaining. So you have to fill this question with proper detail. Okay. So the next, over the past 12 months, how often have you participated in the activities below? So they are asking about your previous experience. So as I already said that you must have some community commitments, community involvements. So because this program application will be asking you about your previous experience before applying to this program. So you must have some basic knowledge and some community involvement in this domain. So like authoring technical blog, I will go like that, speaking about these public events and hosting events and answering questions and contributing to open source inside social media. So as there you have to share a minimum 2 links to example of content created. Like there you have to so if you have written any blog about it, you can paste the link there. If you have arranged some events or some workshops or some sessions virtually, you can paste the link in that events there. You can share your any contribution to the community, to the society. You can paste the links of that event, of that session, workshop as a whole there. Okay, so the below is the share links to any online profiles you have, help us better understand. So there you have to share your public profiles like Twitter, LinkedIn, GitHub, blog, YouTube, or share anything. So I have pasted random links over there because I'm not going to upload properly, so I'm probably just pasting some links. So this is basically the last page of the application. There you have to write that we strive to create a minimum and maintain a diverse community. So how does your background bring a unique perspective to this program? So in this question, this is basically optional. You can ignore this question if you want. So, but if you want your application to be to look unique or to look different, then you must answer this question in few words, that how your background is going to be create a different perspective to this program. So you can write anything about which is basically going to suit that person. So there it is asking that did any AWS employee or AWS heroes refer you. So there you have to mention that how you get to know about this program, like if some AWS employee or some AWS hero refers you, so you have to mention the name of that person who refers you. If you got to know from anyone you got to know about the program, you have to mention the name of that person in this field. So in the next question, to participate in the AWS Community Builder program, you must be at least 18 years old. You have to click agree that I'm going to agree this because I'm 18 years old. By applying this program, I am confirmed that AWS services previously community agreement. So you have to basically agree to the AWS customer services. So you have to click on I agree, and there you have to agree to the following AWS community code of conduct. So you have again you have to click on the option agree. So the next you also have to click on I agree. So after clicking all these details, you have to click the next button. So this is basically the end of your application. After clicking this button, your application will be submitted to the after 1 month, at least 1 month, they will be announcing the result of this program. Like if you got selected, you will be receiving an email via AWS that congratulations, you have got selected. So you will be receiving an email, something like that. So we have covered each and every details about this program. Now it's time for the most interesting part that I talked about earlier, the swag kit. the most interesting and amazing thing to me, and I hope that it could be for you guys as well. So selected for the program, then you will be receiving a cool swag kit, which will be including some interesting material. Like you will be getting the can bottle with with the logo of AWS Community Builder. You will be getting the AWS Community Builder's cap. You will be getting some stickers and some stuff like that. So I'll share the picture of that swag kit, so you can see that, and that is really amazing and awesome gift for that could be for a friend or anyone. So these were basically the basic or some details about this program. There is actually even a lot to talk about this program, but due to the I just don't want to create this video with a long duration, so that's why I'm going to end this here. I hope that you have got some basic knowledge, some details, and some confidence to apply this program. So if you want to apply this program, I'll suggest you that go for it. It's really amazing. You will be getting lots of cool and amazing stuff. So best of luck. Must apply in this program if you have the tech domain, or if you have some experience in this field. I'll share the link of this website, like the link for apply to this program in the description below. So you can check the description for the link. Just go over there, click the link, and then you will be landed to the page. There you can fill all the details, and you can apply for this. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your time, and best of luck. Allah Hafiz. And one last thing, if you guys got any query, any concern about this program, then I am there. You can ask your questions in your comments. I'll be answering them in a while. So stay tuned. Best of luck, and Allah Hafiz.